Oh.
Got it, right outside. So yesterday I announced that I got a new car, my dream car. Today I'm surprising my best friends with it because they have no clue. One of them has seen pictures about it and I told him about it, but my other friend Sean, who's been on the channel several times, he has no clue that I bought a Nissan Skyline. My friend Shane is the one that knows about the car, so he's not gonna be as surprised or as excited, but Sean has no clue, doesn't know that I have it, doesn't know that I got it, doesn't know anything about it, so I hope his surprise is gonna be awesome. He has a lot of car parts ordered, so we've got a lot of videos coming in the future, hopefully. He's the person that I build cars with, and he just spent like $6 grand in parts. So we should have content for days thanks to him. But let's go ahead and start up my new Skyline and get it all the way to Sean's house. So we're at Shane's house first, not Sean's, because he already knows that I got the car. He's seen pictures of it. He just doesn't know what it looks like in person. So I figured we'll show him first, and then that's where we're gonna get to the surprise for Sean. And hopefully, again, he's really excited. Pulled into his little long driveway. I say little, it's not little, but here he comes. And I got it all parked and ready to go. I would drive it all the way up there to him. I feel bad not doing it, but there's a dip there. There's other dips up there, and I was just worried that low front bumper. I don't know, I just didn't want to risk it. So just waiting for him to come to me. And I feel like that's rude, but that's okay. Here he is in his little Prius. He's so cute. Yeah, it's still really, really dirty. I haven't washed it yet. I'm gonna probably do a detail video on it here pretty soon. But this is how it's come. It's been in the States for like 3 weeks.
Freaking beautiful. Came from Japan?
Yeah. Yeah, it came from Right Hand Drive Specialties in Washington. There it is.
Yeah, I'll let you do it.
So, it's a little goofy. It's like underneath there. You wanna pull it for me? I only have one hand.
No.
Thank you. And then RB20.
Ooh. Fuck, I wish I had my Datsun still.
Yeah.
I would have taken this and put it in there. It smells like ball sweat and turbos.
Oh, I got that on camera actually. I just hit record. I was just gonna say we're gonna go for a drive real quick and maybe hear turbo noises. I can't hear it in the driver's seat that well, but I know the passenger seat has it.
I hate this.
It's weird for me. So when you're driving, you want to like pull to the left side of the road, and I've heard that a lot, but I didn't think that was true. And now that I've done it, it's very weird. Because I feel like none of this is supposed to be here.
It's all wrong.
Yeah. There you go. Have fun with it.
Bitty baby back seats. Look how tiny these back seats are.
But the interior is really clean.
Nice.
Also, it's weird because I don't know what to do with my right hand. I'm right hand dominant and I shift right handed. So every time I go to shift, I'm like, there's nothing. Blinker, there's nothing. It's all on this side.
Yeah.
It's
Where's
very
the
weird.
ignition's on the right hand side still.
Oh, it also has the neutral safety switch disengaged, so I can just start it.
That's nice.
Okay, you ready? It's not fast.
Watch out for the call. Your Subaru's way faster.
Oh yeah, the Subaru's 100% way faster. And it feels much more torquey on the Subaru, but this is still fun.
I mean, it's a cool looking car.
Yeah.
That's really all you need. Throw a bigger turbo on it and then boom.
I told Sean we'd be here and he didn't leave us any parking spots, so I'm parking behind your Subaru. Hope that's okay.
Do you have a horn?
I do, it's very baby. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, he won't even know that I'm here because it's so quiet.
Yeah.
Let's just turn it off.
Does the e-brake actually work?
Yeah. So when I got it, the guy, he yanked the e-brake like all the way up to here. And I was like, why did you do that? It was, I even put it on my hill of my driveway, and this is perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So I don't know why people yank it that hard. It's really dumb. We just arrived at Sean's house, and again, he has no clue that I've got it. So let's go and surprise him.
You need to put logos on it.
I want to do a lot to it. I'm gonna have a carbon fiber GTR spoiler. This should be here next week.
Enough.
Well, that's not gonna work.
Can I help you?
Are you dressed?
Do what?
Yeah, you're dressed.
Yeah, I'm dressed.
Take your thing off.
I'm busy. God, I'm killing zombies, bro.
Oh yeah?
Hi.
Take a step outside.
Look at my head, dude.
Oh god. Oh yeah, did you see his mullet? Look at this. Look at this guy. What is wrong with him?
Don't be jealous.
Oh, you're right.
And my wop mop. Did you see that Facebook post?
No?
Yeah. I was like, okay, yeah. By the way, my beard is now called the wop mop.
Oh. I told you I had to make a video with you.
No way. Dude.
Yeah.
Dude.
Thank you. Ow! Here you go.
See you later.
Well, wrong side of the car. It's right-hand drive, Sean.
This is a game changer, bro.
Yeah, so I've only told Shane about it. I've told Alex about it. Eric knew about it because he was the first person to like kind of help convince me to get it.
It needs a little bit of TLC, but
yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it's been resprayed. It needs a little bit of love, but it has a GTR front end.
Dude,
that's replica, I'm pretty sure.
It's lovely seeing you again as well. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you forever.
You got red marks from your Oculus.
I do.
So yeah, what do you think?
I love it. Can I have it?
What? No.
Trade you.
I just bought it.
I'll trade you.
Yeah, so the whole time when I've been hinting at like buying stuff and my stuff's cooler than Eddie's and how I bought that truck.
This is definitely cooler than what the fuck you got.
Yeah, this is what I was talking about the entire time. Go down.
Give me a second.
So right here. It's easier to get to.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. It's like right here.
Oh shit.
All right, lift up. We had to do this earlier too. Double the footage. Same thing.
Oh,
It
it's
just
got
happened.
spoolie boys?
Yeah. It's a GTST Type M.
Oh, okay, just not the DTR.
Yeah. I told you it's kind of tight.
Oh, that's what you meant by it's kind of tight.
Yeah. If you want, I guess drive it around the corner.
No, you're fine.
I mean, I don't care. Okay, well here, hop in the passenger seat. I'll drive it there. I'll literally drive around the block and then I'll go home, I guess.
How stressed are you?
Oh, I'm like 100% stressed.
Why?
Because it's a new car. Hello. Goodbye. It's a new car, and I don't know anything about it. So.
The headliner's really nice.
Yeah, the whole interior is really clean. So I haven't really got.
So I'm not used to having pedals over here.
Yeah, it's.
I will say that right now.
Like I was telling Shane, you want to kind of pull to the left side of the road a lot, and that makes it weird. I also don't know what to do with my right hand because I'm right-hand dominant and I shift right-handed. And blinker's over here, so every time I go for a blinker...
That's right, the blinker is over there now,
yeah,
isn't it?
It's all kinds of weird. It does make choo-choo noises. It actually does like a stew.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
Do we know?
It's not loud at all. I'm gonna wait for them so I can actually kind of get on it. I've only revved it up to 5.5, maybe 6, but 5.5 I think is more accurate. That's it. It's very slow.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, I mean, it's not bad. I mean,
it's
even just for 5.5, it was still putting you in the seat a little bit.
It's responsive. I'll give it that. It's very responsive, but it's not my Subaru, and my Subaru is very, very rowdy. It has a lot of torque.
God, I really want to try it. This is fucking I mean, this is ducking amazing.
It will break loose a little bit.
So it's rear-wheel drive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's powerful. That's got some get up.
It's only 207 horsepower.
I mean, still.
It's got room for a little bit. So I heard safely.
But this is still the RB26, isn't it?
Just RB20.
Oh, it's the RB20.
2 liter.
Okay.
Apparently what you want is an RB25 from the R32.
Yeah.
But this block can handle 350, 400 horsepower. So I think that's kind of what I'm going to push it at.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Skyline. And I'm, again, like I said, I'm very stressed still. Well, again, there it is.
Rate it for the YouTube channel. That is fucking amazing.
Thank you. Do you guys approve? Yes?
Oh,
yes?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm going to take Shane back to his house because I got to go make dinner. But I wanted to show Sean because he hasn't seen it yet.
I got some parts in too.
I know. We have I told him about that. Yeah, I told him about that. So we'll do a video on all of your parts here pretty soon.
Tomorrow I have
Again, how much was your parts?
Okay.
$6,000?
I think totaling, yeah, about $6 grand. I
6
still have to buy
grand?
oil. I still have to buy a power steering pump. I still have to.
And he still didn't go to a 6-speed?
No. I'm building up to that. I've got to get the rest of the reliability first. I'm hoping the blast plates hold. I mean,
Yeah, true.
I'm hoping those work.
Yeah, eventually we'll get the 5-speed out of the silver one in my garage, and then this one will be up and running, and then we can go do car party crap. Before we leave, he wants to start his car, so I figured we'd get an exhaust clip.